Hey everyone, I just want to share my unboxing of GoPro Max. For this order, I ordered the GoPro Max and the 3-way 2.0 tripod grip and arm. Now I'll be focusing with this camera. So it comes with an SD card and the GoPro Max itself. So I bought this for $399 together with a subscription, which gave me the discounted rate of $150 off. Here it is now with the SD card, which is 64GB, and the camera in its original casing. So let's gonna check it now and open it. Comes with the stickers, instruction, with the manual. With its protective case, the battery, adapter, which is a Type-C cable, the mount, so inside a pouch are two protective covers. Let's now go to this camera. First thing further, remove the protective covering and the lens cover. So I have now installed the Max protective lenses on both sides. And note, this could not be used for underwater. Next thing is I need to download the app. So for my Android phone, I'm gonna download it in the Google Play. Next is to insert the battery. So you just need to pull it down, then open it. Okay, so we only got one battery. For the battery, it should be facing this way. Next is to install the SD card. So let's put the SD card now, then close it. Next, we're gonna turn it on to see and check if the battery is working and the unit is working. Okay, you see, so it's touch screen. Then install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions.